One quick and effective way to enhance your practice at home is to use some sort of fragrance or essential oil. Now, what we would do with that is you would take a couple of drops. I use Palo Santo in the palm, rub your palms together, create some heat, and then take 3 long breaths. And you would use that anytime you're going to approach any kind of practice. It sets the mind up for whatever you're going to do next. And so if you're creating a specific psychic condition through your practice, that essential oil or fragrance is telling the brain that that's where it's headed. So it can be a very effective way to kind of get the mind on board in cultivating different states of consciousness. Some of the brands that I really like are either from doTERRA or Mountain Rose Herbs. You can also check out the Ayurvedic Institute and Banyan Botanicals. I usually encourage people to try different oils, something that really resonates with them. There's sweeter scents out there like rose. There's more grounding scents out there like patchouli. Again, I use Palo Santo. I think generally a pretty good place to start is sandalwood. It's sweet, it's grounding, and usually, for the most part, calming for people. So go ahead and test that out and see how it goes.